The ninth edition of the Whitefield Art Collective Public Art Festival has started at VR Bengaluru and will run from March 13th to April 12th, 2026 with the theme Tomorrow Altered. The festival was inaugurated by Grammy Award-winning composer Ricky Cage, a recipient of the Padma Shri. The festival features over 300 art installations, sculptures, paintings and photographs by students from Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad and other institutes. A special highlight is a Tesla car turned into a moving art canvas, blending art and technology. Supported by the Yuj Foundation, the month-long festival includes exhibitions, music, workshops, and an art bazaar, celebrating Bengaluru's vibrant art and culture.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sumi Gupta, and I am the curator for Whitefield Art Collective. We're very excited to present the ninth edition of the Whitefield Art Collective here at VR Bengaluru in Whitefield. As usual, the center is already buzzing with installations, paintings, sculptures, and there is going to be a really exciting performance as well today. And across the month in this immersive public art festival, which is student led, we are going to have a lot of workshops, book readings, and young artist program. So first of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the Youth Foundation for always being such a support to these public art festivals right from when we started, which is more than a decade ago now. And like I said, here in Whitefield, we are in our year 9. So very excited. Of course, we have a lot of interesting institutions and renowned institutions from Bangalore that are taking part in the festival as they do every year. So we have their wonderful support of the professors and the students. This year, the festival is inaugurated by Ricky Cage, who is a Padma Shri holder and a three-time Grammy nominee. And he's an environmentalist as well. He will be inaugurating this festival this evening, and Ricky Cage and his ensemble is also going to be performing for us in the Garden City at VR Whitefield. That's something a lot of people are looking forward to. We also have a fashion show, which is clothes made with khadi fabric, which is again sustainable and natural, something that has been a transcending theme throughout all our public art festivals. This year's theme is Tomorrow Altered, where we're saying that the future is not a distant not a distant possibility, but it's kind of unfolding as we speak. And it's really important to shine a light on topics such as sustainability and the environment, so that we leave this planet the way we found it for future generations. We have a lot of workshops, as I said, over the 1 month. It's an immersive festival to give the students, it's a student led art festival, and to give the students more exposure. Every year we try and bring in some senior artists who display their works along the student works. And this year we have Geeta Hudson, and we have a German artist who's actually based in Oroville, and works with mixed media, ceramics. So a lot of her work is also displayed here, which I think will give all the students, of course, the audience, different things to look at, but it would give a lot of exposure to the students. We also work with Art Reach, where we have a multi-year program. And the same goes with a new organization that we are working with called Caring with Color, who work with school children in villages of Karnataka, and teach them, educate them through the medium of art. That aligns closely with what we're trying to do here at the public art festivals. And later in this festival, you should be seeing um, paintings by these children that are going to be put up at VR Bengaluru. So I invite you to, you know, join the festival, have a look, come with your friends and family, um, come multiple times over this 1 month for this extremely multi-layered and large festival which has 300 objects of various kinds of art, various mediums, right from AI inspired art to using materials like iron and electric stuff. I think it's terracotta. There's some amazing terracotta sculptures that we have this time. So there's a lot to see and maybe a lot to take in on one visit. So I encourage everybody to come back again and again, and have a wonderful evening. Thank you.